Your TikTok video. You thought you looked so hot.
Whatever. At least I'm famous.
Oh yeah, you're famous, all right.
Well, I guess I'm famous. Not the way I want it to be, but hey, at least my promises are fulfilled.
Brianna, you still have one mark left.
What?
Look.
No. My last promise was to fulfill all of my promises, and I did!
I think that's sort of like a lifelong promise.
So I can get into my dream school?
You could always try Yale. Brianna, you can't cover up your mark. They'll find out.
How would they find out? I have to get into Harvard. It's my dream. Hi, I'm here to interview for Harvard.
We've been expecting you. Come this way.
Here's your hair tie back.
Seriously, you're giving it back now? I don't even want it anymore.
Well, you need to take it. I need to fulfill all my promises and get into Harvard, so...
No, I don't want it.
Take it!
Okay, jeez.
Thank you.
You're so much better than my girlfriend.
Hey!
Babe, it's not what it looks like. I was, giving her CPR.
Come on. We're going to get married right now. And then, we're going to get a divorce.
Wait, but I don't want to.
Let's go! The only marks I have left is to fulfill all my promises and become famous. How am I gonna become famous?
Let's brainstorm some ideas.
I know. I'm gonna post thirst traps on TikTok.
Brianna, no! How'd the video do? Did it get any views?
Yeah, a lot of views.
Then why don't you look happy?
Everyone's laughing at me. Mommy, I promise one day I'm gonna be famous.
Brianna, I told you not to make any promises. Now you'll have a permanent mark until you fulfill your promise.
Does anyone have a hair tie I can borrow?
Yeah, here. Just promise me you'll give it back.
Yes, of course. I promise.
Sup, babe?
Hey.
I got you flowers.
Wow, they're beautiful. Thank you.
I love you so much. Promise me one day we'll get married.
I promise.
What university are you applying to?
Harvard, of course.
You don't know?
Know what?
You can't get into Harvard with any unfulfilled promises. They're very prestigious.
I gotta go. I gotta get rid of all these marks.
Is that even possible?
I promise you, it is.
You look so beautiful. I'm talking to you.
Oh.
What's your Snap?
Snap?
Snapchat? Here, just take my number.
Okay.
You look different. You wore your hair down today?
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah, you look good, but you look good before, too. Wanna come over tonight?
Sure.
Let's go all the way.
Gee, wait, I'm not ready.
Come on, it's me. You can trust me. Bro, no way. You got it on the first night? What can I say, dude? I'm super busy right now.
Jake, wait.
Look, I really gotta go.
Yeah, of course you do. Because you have no use for me now, right? You got what you wanted.
What are you talking about?
White ink. These cards aren't blank. There's something written in them.
My papa reads encrypted messages for a living. We can take the cards to him and find out what they say. What do you have for me?
This is the first card I received when I was 10.
Ah, yes. Find me where the flowers grow. I'm in the garden down below.
That doesn't make sense. What is it, some kind of riddle?
Maybe we'll understand if we read all the cards.
This is the second card.
XYZXB. That is the key to set me free.
Do you have a pencil?
Here. What are you doing?
I'm writing it down. It must be some kind of code. This is the third card.
The place I am you have in your memory. We used to play there before you were stolen from me.
Wait a minute. I know the place.
Happy birthday!
Wow! A gummy bear! Thank you!
There's one more gift for you.
Who's it from?
There was no name.
It's blank.
Happy birthday!
Thank you!
Now there's one more gift. Another card. Does it say who it's from?
It doesn't say anything. It's another blank card.
Happy Sweet 16!
Thank you. Let me guess. Another blank card?
Yes, it's the same one as always.
Who would do that? Every single year.
Happy birthday! Ooh, you got a card? Who's it from?
I don't know. Every year on my birthday since I was 10, I've received a blank card in the mail.
That's kind of creepy.
Wait a minute. White ink. There's something written in this card. Mommy? Why are you crying?
It's your baby sister. She's not going to make it. The doctor says she only has 100 heartbeats left.
Here, she can have half of mine. I don't need that many.
Honey, wait!
Hey, girl.
Hey, I gotta go.
Hey, wait. You know I can tell when something's off about you. What's wrong?
I only have enough heartbeats to last me one more day.
Here, I'm giving you half.
No, you really shouldn't have done that. Now you're gonna live half as long as you should.
Come on. Now how could I live this world without you? Mom, I'm home.
Hurry, we have to go to the hospital right now. Mom's sick.
Mom, what happened?
It's my heartbeats.
How much do you have left?
3,000.
So I'll give you half.
Honey, please, live a long life. For me.
No, I can't live without you.
You have to. Goodbye. Look at my new wallet.
Oh, let me see. Ew! It's worthless.
Hey, I just bought that.
My daddy's a millionaire. I can't touch anything cheap. I'll break out in hives.
Spare change, please.
Ew! Don't touch me with this cup. It's probably covered in garbage and dirt. Actually, on second thought, I'm taking this.
No, it's all I have. Why are you holding a cup that says money, please?
I don't know. I took it from some random homeless man. It says it's worth a lot of money.
Brianna, the meter doesn't show how much the object is worth. It shows how much the person who owns the object is worth.
Oh.
Hey, could you be more gentle?
Oh, sorry, Pencil. Pencil? You can talk?
Yeah, of course I can, you little... Ah! No matter how much makeup you put on, you're always going to be ugly.
Oh, you little... Why won't you rip?
You know, I really don't think this shade of pink is your color.
Really? You think so? What color do you think would suit me best?
Brianna, are you talking to a lipstick?
What? She was talking to me first. Gummy bear.
No, please don't eat me. I have a wife and kids at home.
I'm sorry, Gummy bear. I gotta do what I gotta do.
No, Papa, you ate my dad. Happy 17th birthday. Hurry, blow out the candles. I want to see what mark you'll get.
Please be gold. Please be gold. Well, what's my mark?
There's nothing there.
Why didn't I get a mark? It's gold. It has to be gold. It's going to be gold today.
Honey, looks like your mark finally came in. I always knew you'd be successful.
Yeah, me too.
Wow, you got a gold mark. I'm so jealous. I only got blue when I turned 17. Brianna, that's so awesome. You got a gold mark. Did you expect it?
Yeah, I mean, that's the mark I always thought I'd get, so...
On your neck, it's red. You're dangerous.
A 4-letter word? That shouldn't be too hard. Ugh, my contacts are blurry. I can't even see. Now, what letter should I guess next?
This word seems hard. I don't think you'll be able to guess it.
Okay, whatever. Actually, thank you. Just 2 more letters to go. I can have 3 wrong answers. I'm just going to guess P. D?
D blank C K. Come on, we all know what word this is. Guess I.
Okay, I. It's wrong. I only have 1 guess left. Oh, it was O. The next prize is 100K. Hurry, give me my word. Oh no, I don't have any words today. Why can I still talk?
Honey, how many words did you get today?
1 million.
Wow, that's a lot.
Hey girlie, have you ever tried to talk when you didn't have any words left?
No, you can't talk if you don't have any words. Why are you asking?
Oh, no reason.
Look at Jimmy over there. He has no words again. Let's all throw pencils at him.
Guys, wait. This isn't right. One day it could be you that has no words left.
Yeah, but it's Jimmy.
That's true.
Come with me. You're being arrested for word theft.
Word theft? But I didn't steal any words.
No, you need to keep the handcuffs on. That's it. You're going to jail for life.
Wait, has anyone ever had infinite words?
No, that's impossible.
Then you might want to see this. I only have 7 hours till I have to have my first kiss. Hurry, kiss me!
No, I can't. We're best friends.
I'd do it for you. If I don't have my first kiss in 6 hours, I'm going to die.
Hey, Brianna.
Hi, Caleb.
Would you like to accompany me on a date later?
Yes,
I'd love to.
This is a really nice place you brought me.
Yeah, it's my favorite. Do you ever wonder what the meaning of life is?
No, not really.
You look so beautiful.
Do I?
Can we talk about the current economic and political state of the world right now?
No.
Excuse me?
No, we can't, because if I don't have my first kiss in 1 hour, I'm going to die.
I don't think we're right for each other. Oh, look at you!
Hi, Grandma.
Look at those chubby cheeks.
Hey!
I just want to give them a big old kiss. Mwah!
Ugh, yuck! I got a 10 out of 10? Wow, a perfect score.
Haha, you got a 10 out of 10. Emily, be nice to your sister.
I got the highest score.
Wow, you are so special. Class, we have a new student. Everyone meet Brianna. She has a stupidity score of 10 out of 10. What an idiot. Brianna, please introduce yourself. Say hi, Brianna.
Hi, Brianna. What are we laughing at?
Brianna, look out!
Look where? Ow. I feel different.
What's 5 times 13,884? Yes, Brianna.
That would be 69,420.
You're right.